Hi guys, let's understand about the Power BI report deployment in dev, UAT and production environment. But in real project, term teams usually follow three environment setup. Common Power BI environment, development environment used by the developer, build the report, data set, data model, connect dev to test data source, frequent changes and experiment. Basically, development environment is used for the deployed the report in the for the internal review all these things, so multiple changes of the report after the in the development environment finalized report, it will be moved to UAT or testing environment. The UAT used by UAT business users for Q&A, validate the data accuracy, KPI visual, same structure as PROD, but the test data. So in the UAT, the testing environment or UAT environment, so business or client or customer who have run through the report and understand the report is in appropriate format or not. Third environment is production environment. After finalize the UAT environment, we move the report to the production used by the end user, stable and trusted reports connected in live production data, strict access and change control. Basically, there is three environment in the deployment of the report. So in the interview, someone is asking is that how you deployed your report. You speak, we have deployed in the report in dev environment, UAT environment and production environment. So what is the deployment process? Let me run through the deployment process in Power BI service. If you see in the Power BI service, there are three environment I have created. One is test UAT, test production and test development. So for the test development, currently I am publishing one report in the development environment. For the publishing the report in development environment, I have a report. This is a call center trends report. This is a very simple report. Okay. For number of call answer is 4054, call count is 5000, call center and agent graph and call answer and count of result topics, average speed of the answer in the call and count of call duration. This is the simple dashboard. So first I start publishing this report in the development environment. So you are go to in the top, first you save the report. In the top there is a publish button is there. So click on the publish button. All the three environment comes like test development, test production, test UAT. So click on the test development. So first next step, it will start publishing the report in the development environment. So in the development environment, if I go there in the development environment, there is two thing is come. One is report, another one is semantic model. Semantic model is nothing but the data model used inside the report. If you see semantic model report, owner is test development, refresh time, next refresh we didn't set up the refresh time. So this is the development environment. If I click here, the report is reflects here in the testing and in the development environment. So by simple, we able to publish the report in the development environment. Later on, we start an internal review in our team, and let's see the report is very good in step. So first of what we do, we have to move this report to the production environment. Sorry, move the report to the other environment. Currently, it is not possible here. So we'll move, we are download it and publish it. There is no required of download here. So again, I'm going to publish the same report to the UAT environment. I go there, publish in the UAT environment. So what happened? The report again published in the UAT environment currently. So if you see, after some time the report is published here. Yeah. Yes. So report come to UAT environment. In the UAT environment, this environment is used by the customer. So we provide the access to the customer here. How we provide the access, I tell you. So here there is a we have provide the alert, subscribe, share, all these thing option are there in the top. Export, share. So where what happen? Customer comes here and review the dashboard here. Okay, review the dashboard. What are the changes is required? If there is some changes required, it tell us. Then we change it in the from simple changes we change it here and download it. Either the major changes we download it and change it again, publish in UAT and tell customer that these are the changes is required and changes is done by us. Please review it. Then customer is finalize the report. After finalizing the report, we have published the report to the production environment. So in UAT environment, we're providing the manage access. In the manage access, I am adding the email address, people group or email address. After adding the email address, the customer is able to view the UAT environment reports. Next is workspace is production. Production environment is the final report where we publish the report to final version. This is the full and final report that is deliverable to the customer. The customer take the delivery of the production environment report as the final report. There is no changes. We can lock the report. We are locking the environment or locking the report uh, by the customer or take a sign up from the customer. This is our final report. So publishing the production environment, let's go to the this part and publish in the production environment. So after publishing the production environment, we do a sign up with customer that this is our final report and there is no changes required. All the changes we fixed it. There is no bugs, anything in the report. So this is the production report. Basically by saying this is a very important question in the report deployment, like development to UAT to production. How you deployed the report in the interview, they are asking you, then you are able to give the answer in the appropriate way. Thank you.